Cherries, those small, vibrant red fruits, aren't just a delicious treat, they're packed with powerful health benefits. Today, we're diving into what makes cherries a true superfood. First up, cherries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins and cyanidin. These compounds help combat oxidative stress in the body, reducing inflammation and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Inflammation is a key player in many chronic conditions like heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. The anti-inflammatory properties of cherries can help manage these conditions and promote overall health. Speaking of heart health, cherries are a great ally. They can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, improve blood pressure, and promote a healthy cardiovascular system. Incorporating cherries into your diet can support heart health and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. Cherries also play a role in muscle recovery and pain relief. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in cherries can alleviate muscle soreness and improve recovery time after exercise. This makes them a favorite among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. For those struggling with sleep, cherries might just be the natural remedy you need. They contain melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. Consuming cherries or cherry juice can improve sleep quality and duration. Another notable benefit is the support cherries offer for brain health. The antioxidants in cherries may improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Keeping your mind sharp has never been so sweet. Lastly, let's not forget about digestion. Cherries are a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. A healthy digestive system is crucial for overall wellness. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of cherries. Your body and mind will thank you.